Halo guys, kembali lagi di channel Umar. Nah, ini aku mau review tentang stok Hyundai Creta guys. Ini ready nih guys, yang butuh Hyundai Creta secepatnya bisa hubungi segera ke nomor 0857 4285 0212. Untuk Hyundai Cretanya, dia ready untuk tipe Trend, Style, Prime. Ready, hampir semua tipe ready.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I